Hey guys, I don't normally go live on a Friday night, but I have something I want to share with you. So I'm jumping on really quick. For those of you that don't know me, I am Christy Hawkins, the owner of the Social Easel, and I've got something free to give you guys. So I just created a new 4-part video series that is going to be given to you, my gift to you, and all you have to do is enter your email address, and it's going to be sent to you via email starting next week. So I've got the page all set up and ready for you, and hey Glennis, and all you have to do is click the link above. I'm gonna put it in the comments really quick too, just in case that link doesn't work for you. But just to tell you a little bit about this video series, this is for if you're already on my email list too, by the way, you do not have to put in your email again because I'm gonna send it to you. For those of you that are not on my email list, you're gonna want to enter your email so that you can get this free video series. And I'm going to tell you what it's all about. So tell me hi when you're jumping on. Let me know where you're watching from. I'm going to mute my keyboard really quick and pull this up. Hey, Miss Cindy. Okay, so I've got that in the comments. I just posted it, and it's also in the link at the top. Hey Kim, so this is for those of you that may be new to painting and you have no idea where to start and you think that you can't do it. You may have always wanted to, but you're worried like you just can't because you've never tried it before. And so I've created this series just to give you step-by-step some very basic tools that you need, that you can start applying like immediately. You don't need a ton of supplies. You just need like a mixed media pad, some craft paints, a set of brushes, nothing extravagant. And in this video series, I am going to walk you through some basics. So let me give you a little overview of what you're going to get. You're going to get really simple tips and techniques. So if you've watched me live before, you kind of know how I teach. So I'm just going to make it super easy for you. And you are going to learn 4 of my favorite backgrounds. You're going to learn all the different brushes and what they are used for. You're going to learn some basics in shading, so adding shadows and highlights to your paintings. You're going to learn how to paint with a palette knife, and you're going to learn how to mix your own paint colors. So all of this is included in the 4-part video series, and they start being released next week. So next Thursday, September 5th, video number 1 is going to go out and it'll go straight to your email. And then a few days later, you'll get video number 2, video number 3, video number 4. So this will kind of give you an idea of how I teach. And you get access to these videos. Save them in your email, go back to them and reference them again and again if you want to. So this is my gift to you. Hey Allison, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm super excited about it. It'll all be automated. So you will have, if you comment here, you can say whatever you want to. You can even just tell me hi. It will send a message to you in Facebook Messenger, and it will have the link to sign up as well. So all you have to do is enter your email address there. You'll be taken to a thank you page. You'll see a quick video from me that I just recorded wearing the same thing I'm wearing now. And then you should get a thank you email that tells you it will be on its way next week. Okay, so I hope you guys are excited. It's going to be a lot of fun, and that's it. Now I'm gonna go jump off here and watch a movie with the kids, but I wanted to share that with you really quick before we're gone for the weekend. I will not be in my office for the next 3 days. So don't be shocked if you shoot me an email or a message and I don't respond. We're taking a little vacation this weekend with the family. So we are gonna be out and about, and I am not going to work while I'm with them this weekend. So that's my promise to myself and to them. So everyone have an awesome Labor Day weekend, and I'll see you next week. And we're going to continue our live series. Make sure you're following me on my Facebook Lives. We're going to continue our live series on some paintbrushes as well. So this will be some extra goodies that go a little bit more in depth with you. So everyone have a good weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye.